A very good morning to one and all. I, Assistant Professor Gayatri Naik from KBP Degree College, I am here to speak some word on the person who has contributed immensely to the game of cricket. And yes, he is none other than MS Dhoni. He was basically born in Ranchi, which was then in Bihar but now is in Jharkhand on 7th of July in 1981. He was very much keen in sports from starting especially in football, which brought him to cricket, and his school sports teacher had a huge role in that. While he made his debut in international cricket, he made an image of a right-handed attacking batsman and keeper. Then came one of the crucial moments in his career when he was appointed as the Indian captain and everyone was highly impressed by his role. Then on the night of 2nd April in 2011 when he hit the six and made India win the World Cup after 28 years, he made his biggest impact in the Indian cricket history, winning trophies and tournament has become an usual order for him. The contribution he had will never be forgotten by this world. He is surely a legend. And of course, his cool and calm personality, which earned him the title of a gentleman, will be admired by the youth. Even having such a huge fame, he is so down to earth, for which he will always be remembered as one of the most humble person. And I need no more reason to love and respect him forever. I would like to ask Sujal and Brunal to carry for the presentation. Over to you.
Now we are presenting a small tribute video of MS Dhoni, the most influential man in the history of Indian cricket.
He's finished with the six again, MS Dhoni.
Captain Cool, finishing it in style. In the air, Srishant takes it. India win. Unbelievable scenes here at the bull ring.
MS Dhoni got it right in the end.
India, the world champions.
Big shot leg side, sixer!
Oh, he's gone under that. Here we go, last ball through the offside. It's running through. Could we run out? Is he run out? He's got him. That's it. India win.
That is brilliantly done. India win the Champions Trophy as England capitulate.
The winners of the Champions Trophy 2013, India.
Got him.
Look at that catch, super catch.
That's huge.
Outside edge. Good catch by MS Dhoni.
Great shot. That's a fierce square cut. It's gone to the boundary like a tracer bullet. Dhoni finishes off in style. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room. And it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Let us talk about Dhoni's childhood. Dhoni was born on 7th July 1981. His parents are Pansing and Devki Dev. They stayed in Ranchi, Jharkhand. He has two siblings. His father was a junior manager in Mekon. Dhoni showed immense interest in playing football and badminton. Even at the school level, he excelled in both the sports and was selected for the district level competitions. He studied in DAV Jawar Vidya Mandir School located in Ranchi. He was an excellent goalkeeper. Watching his eye-catchy skills, his football coach sent him to a local cricket club to play cricket. He never played cricket before, but he managed to grab the concept perfectly. His wicket-keeping skills amazed everyone in the club. He was appointed as the wicket-keeper for the local team on regular basis. Later he started to focus primarily on cricket and left his goaler days of football and badminton behind. It was a drastic change in his life. He started to take professional coaching after class 10th. He was also a meritorious student and teachers respected him for his versatile nature. He used to manage his studies and sports sessions perfectly. His family was very supportive of his ambitions. Professional life. Mahendra Singh Dhoni started his first class career in year 1999 to 2000. His one-day international debut came after tea on the 23rd of December 2004 against Bangladesh, whereas only 50th match which has played against Pakistan in Visakhapatnam, Dhoni came to increase one down and managed to score 148 runs from just 123 balls. On the 31st of October, the only broke the record of highest runs scored back a wicket-keeper by securing 183 runs against Sri Lanka, which was played at Jaipur. On the 2nd of December 2005, Dhoni made his first cricket debut against Sri Lanka, which was played in China, India. He took India to number one position in ICC ranks for the first time.
Team leader. Dhoni was named the captain of Indian squad for the inaugural ICC World Cup T20 held in South Africa. In September 2007, India were crowned championships as Dhoni led the team to victory against Pakistan in the thrilling contest. He went on to become the ODI champion of the Indian team for the 7-match ODI series against Australia in September 2007. He made his debut as full-time Test captain of India during the fourth and final Test against Australia at Nagpur in November 2008, replacing Anil Kumble, who was injured in the third Test and who announced his retirement. Dhoni was vice-captain in the series up to the point. Indian eventually won that Test, thus clinching the series and resigned the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Dhoni has previously captained India on a stand basic against South Africa and Australia in 2008 and 9 respectively.
Vision. Great leaders have vision. They can see the future. They have a clear, exciting idea of where they are going, what they are trying to accomplish, and are excellent at strategic planning. Having a clear vision turns the individual into a special type of person.
Only captain to win all three major ICC tournaments. 2007 Cricket World Cup. Dhoni played his first ODI World Cup in 2007 in this Caribbean. India made early exit from the tournament in the group stage. In 2007 Cricket World Cup, India was placed in Group B with Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Bermuda. Rahul Dravid captain the team in this World Cup. In three matches India played, they managed to win only the against Bermuda, while losing the rest for Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. In their first match against Bangladesh, India was all out in just 191 in 49 overs. Dhoni was out for 0. He stumped Tamim Iqbal, Shafiq Hassan and captain Habibul Basan in the match, but India lost by 5 wickets. In the next match against Bermuda, India posted in the highest score in the World Cup, 413 by 5. In the must-win match, Dhoni scored 19 of 25 balls, which include 2 fours and 1 6. India won the match by 257 runs. India was required to win their latest group match against Lankas, but they lost by 69 runs, chasing the target of 255. India cumbered to 185 all out in 43 overs. 2011 Cricket World Cup. Under Dhoni's captaincy, India won the 2011 World Cup in the final against Sri Lanka, chasing 275. Dhoni promoted himself up the batting order, coming before in firm Yuvraj Singh. When the comes to bat, India need more than 6 runs per overs, with 3 top order batsmen already decent. He started building a good partnership with Gautam Gambhir due to good stock play and active running between wickets. They kept up with the required runs rate. Dhoni was won 16 of 16 balls, but later accelerated with the greatest frequency to boundaries, ending with 91 not out of 79 balls. 2013 ICC Championship Trophy. In 2013 ICC Championship Trophy, England vs India, final at England. India won by 5 runs.
Awards and achievements: T20 World Cup 2007, Commonwealth 2008 Series vs Australia, World Cup 2011, Asia Cup 2010, ICC Champion Trophy, number 1 in Test cricket. CSK won 2 IPL and 2 CPL Cups under his captaincy and championship. Only captain to win all major ICC trophies. ICC ODI Players of the Year 2008-2011. ICC World Cup ODI 11, 2008, 2009, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. ICC World Test 11, 2009, 2010, 2013. LG People's Choice Award 2013. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan 2007 to 2000. Doctorate's degree by De Montfort University in August 2011. National Honours 2018 Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award. 2009 Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award. 2007 to 2008 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's highest honour given for achievement in sports. Thoughts from legends on MS Dhoni. Dr. Kalam never used to watch TV, but whenever it was India's match, he asked, "Is MS Dhoni still not out?" And if someone says yes, he say, "Don't worry, the captain would set it all right." When I died, the last thing I want to see is the 6 that Dhoni hit in the World Cup 2011 final. Sunil Gavaskar. Dhoni is the best captain I have played under. Sachin Tendulkar. When you compare the icons of the game, you have Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni in the same bracket. Ravi Shastri. His journey is started from a zero and ended with a hero.
Thank you very much for listening to us patiently. We hope that you have got so many of informations about the failure and success. Failure and success are the part of life. We can say a two side of one coin. So never lose hope. And as a youth of our nation, we are the real asset of our country. So we should explore our talent as much as possible, and let us celebrate Azadi at 75 with all the glories. Thank you so much.